All right, so this problem is solving a multi-step problem, okay, like a real life problem. So let's say a streaming site, like Netflix or YouTube, has 50,000 subscribers when it charges $12 per month for a monthly subscription. For each $1 increase in price, the site loses about 2,500 subscribers. How much should the site charge to maximize monthly revenue? So how much they make in a month. What is the maximum monthly revenue? Okay, so this is before anything is. All right, so it's how much they make. All right, so here we want to do the monthly revenue. Okay, and that's going to be, I don't know, that's going to be our function. So f of x, something like that. All right, or you can make it r of x. And here we have the number of subscribers. So we have 50,000. All right, I'm going to leave some space. Okay, and for a subscription price, we have $12. Okay, so if it's $12 per month and there's 50,000 subscribers, they would make $600,000. Okay, so that's what that means. However, we're talking about increasing prices here, right? So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. Okay, so the first thing it says is for each $1 increase in price. Okay, so we're not sure how many dollars we're going to increase it by. So let's let it be a variable. How many dollars? We don't know. So we're going to increase it by x. All right, so the subscription price is actually 12 plus x because we're not sure how much we're going to increase it by, right? And we don't know how much we increase it by, but no matter, depending on what we increase it by, we're going to be losing 2,500 per increase, per dollar increased. So we're going to do, whenever you hear per, usually you're going to multiply by x. So 2,500 times x. And there we go. And that is how we set it up. Okay, so now watch this. We want to simplify it to make it look a little bit nicer. Okay, is there anything that we can factor out from 50,000 and 2,500? Yeah, 2,500 goes into both of those. So let's factor out 2,500. And if you do that, you end up with 20 plus x. So we divided 50,000 by 2,500, 2,500 by x by 2,500 is x. And here, can't really do anything with the 12 plus x. All right, so I'm going to just write 12 plus x. This looks like a binomial, two binomials. All right, but we're used to seeing the x in front, right? So let's do that. Since we're allowed to switch the placement around for addition, we have x plus 20 times x plus 12. Hey, look at that. It looks like it's in x-intercept form, doesn't it? Yeah. Remember that from last chapter? So here, it's asking how much should the site charge to maximize monthly revenue? So what x should we use? Okay. So how much should we charge? Let's maximize it. And how do we maximize? Remember the maximum or minimum. And this one's going to be, oh, sorry, this was, I did it again. All right, so 50,000, and you're losing 2,500 subscribers each time. So that should be minus. Sorry. That one should be minus. Okay. All right, but we can make. The thing is, we don't want the x to be negative here. So instead of dividing out 2,500, we can divide out negative 2,500. And when you do that, the signs just change. So it goes like that. And when we switch this around, we have positive x minus 20. All right, that makes more sense. Because now our parabola, our a is negative. So that means our parabola opens down like this. That means it's going to have a maximum. That's what we're looking for. Okay, our vertex. So let's find the x to the vertex. Remember, for x-intercept form, you want to find the average of the two intercepts, the midpoint. So our p here is 20. Our q here is negative 12. Remember to think opposite. All right. And we do x equals p plus q divided by 2. A nice little rhyme there. So 20 plus negative 12 divided by 2 is 8 divided by 2, which is 4. All right. So x equals 4. So the subscription price of $4, wait a minute, that doesn't sound right. It's not, because it's x plus 12. All right, so we have to plug that back into here. So 12 plus x, or 4, equals 16. So $16 is the maximum monthly charge. All right, so that's our maximum monthly charge. That $16 is gonna give us the maximum revenue. So what is the monthly maximum? What is the maximum monthly revenue? Remember, we have our x. To find our y, we plug it in. So f of 16 equals negative 2,500 times 16 minus 20 times 16 plus 12, and there we get negative 2,500 times negative 4 times 16 plus 12 is going to give us 28. All right, let's do it. So 2,500, that's a negative, so negative sign, there you go, times 4, that's a negative, times 28 equals, woo, oops. I plugged in the wrong. Sorry, I really shouldn't do these videos at night. If you're wondering, why'd you plug in 16? Yeah, I'm not sure. So our x was 4. Oh boy. Our x was 4. So here we have 4 minus 20 is negative 16. And 4 plus 12 is positive 16. That looks much better. Okay. Now we're going to multiply. Sorry about that. So you have 2,500 negative times 16 negative times 16 equals, there you go, that looks much better, $640,000 a month. All right, so that's the maximum they can make.